welcome back to Come On, Let's Go! Little Matthew is right here.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm mainly going to be your tour guide for this. So get ready for some pretty awesome stuff. We have this random stuff, and here is the swing Matthew was on. We have a very nice picnic table and our garden that I will soon go deeper into. Let's take a look at the swing. Could you move, Matthew, please? Ta-da! It's a lovely swing attached to our lovely tree. Now, like I said, I'm showing y'all the garden. Although it's sort of fall, autumn, so it's not in its prime beauty, but we were pretty busy all summer. Went camping and all. These are beans, I think. These are strawberries. Down here, these things are strawberries. Right there is a strawberry. Let me just focus. Ta-da! It's a strawberry. And it's kind of blurry. A giant patch of dirt. No clue what this is, but this is something. Okay. What else is there? There is a lot of amazing flowers that would bloom, but it is past the time. We have more strawberries. Another strawberry. It's getting blurry a lot, but these are another set of beans and cherry tomatoes. Let's just focus on the tomatoes. Huh, it's not focusing. That's too bad. Anyway, this way we have our prime beauty full of, well, these are beans, but we took them all. These are cucumbers, I think. And what Matthew is showcasing is a little watermelon that somehow climbed all the way up here. We have two others, one right here and one right there. Now, this way are zucchini. You can see there's a flower right here, although it's going to turn into a giant zucchini sooner or later. I don't know if we have any zucchini right now, but we did have quite a few. These were also beans that we sealed away from birds to stop them from eating all the yum-yums.
I'm a bear and I'm gonna eat yum yum.
You can't eat the yum-yum.
Yum 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 yum.
This end, I think these are...
Can you see the cucumber here?
Yep, there's a ginormous cucumber. These are, what are these?
Bell pepper. We have few bell pepper there.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Uh-oh. Let me just focus it first, and then I'll take the leaf away. Ta-da! It's a bell pepper. Very tiny though. And there is, getting kind of blurry. A random mess of flowers.
That's blue.
Yep. They were very big though. Continue forth. Over here is a lovely mix of flowers that you saw earlier by the strawberries. And cherry tomatoes that I couldn't focus on earlier. Let's see if we can now. Yeah. Now, we have a lot, as in a lot, of cherry tomatoes. Like there are cherry tomatoes everywhere sometimes. Like this, it has grown out of it. And there are quite a few ripe and ready ones. Here is some more right here.
And
some more. And there's some normal tomatoes right here. Let me just lift up the leaf. Da-da-da. Matthew, could you move your hand, please?
Okay.
Look. Uh-oh, the leaf. There's some big ones there and a few ones here. There's also some here that Matthew's good eyes spotted. And then this end, there are also a few other big ones. Although they're all green. I saw a few red ones too in here. You just leap out. Ta-da! Right in the core center, Matthew. Pushing it in the way. Big, ripe tomatoes. Not that big. All right, we have lettuce, I think. I don't know what these things are. This one is also probably a lettuce-ish thing. A lettuce-ish thing. Try to pronounce it. I think it's cabbage.
Yeah, I think it's
According to
cabbage.
Matthew. These are just random flowers. 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 And flowers. This was a very big bush of flowers, but we had to cut it down for a little while. We do it every year because it's covering the sunlight. Now here is the thing that Matthew hates most.
Carrots.
Carrots. Okay, I can pick one up if I can find a good one to show you. This one. Okay. Matthew, could you move the leaf out of the way? Yeah, just do that. Just do that. Thank you. Could you focus it for me? Because it's getting kind of, I think that's good. And I'm just gonna, no! Okay, we'll get that out later with like something. We'll just get that out with something later. Matthew, stop. We'll get that out later.
Which means get up now.
That just means it's a big one, I think.
I think I can get it out.
You changed the camera. This is getting very chaotic. Here, let me just fix the camera angle a bit. There.
Now try pulling it out.
This is not supposed to happen, guys. It normally comes out like this. It's a pretty big carrot. We'll show you guys a better one in the future sometime, probably. And that's pretty much our garden. Could you hold the carrot for me? We'll wash it later. That's just our garden. Our backyard now. Yep. Okay, so we have a pool with a water gun-ish. Half a water gun. It's kind of broken. We have a deck-ish thing here.
Oh, what? Tree to climb?
Yeah, that's just like a random tree that we cut down. Ta-da! This is where we have barbecues. And this is our back door. And this is a table, some chairs, a random area, and our new installment. Drum roll, please. Ta-da!
And
We have now a basketball net. And there we have basketballs and soccer balls. Da-da-da-da-da. Here is a bush. Now show everybody the secret passageway. Da-da-da-da. Oh, that's also our compost bin, I guess, ish thing. Da-da-da. He walked through. It's a little tunnel. It's a secret. Shh, don't tell anyone. We have our lovely, lovely sidewalk. Ow. Okay, we have a chalkboard here. I shall demonstrate a lovely, lovely chalkboard. I shall demonstrate. Gonna make my specialty. You see. I normally draw a better dragon wing, but ta-da, it's a dragon wing-ish thing. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a folded dragon wing. So up here it's folded. That doesn't look that good. I'll write something. I'll write something. Yeah, sure, you can wash the carrot. Back to school. There. Back to school. My writing's normally better, but this hand isn't working that well. But yes, back to school. Demonstration. And well, we have a picnic table as I featured earlier. Showcased, featured, I don't know which one. Some more dirt, that's dirt. Grass, silly me. Grass that's in the midst of dying or something, or drying up due to the weather. We just have, well, this is where we keep most of our toys in the winter. We have some paint, and we have gardening stuff.
And this is our beautiful carrot that I washed for myself.
Oh yeah, Matthew, let's stand in the sunlight. We can't see it. Just hold it right there. It's a carrot. It's a carrot. Looks kind of funny.
There's some dirt on it still.
Yeah, you could wash it a bit more.
No.
Well, I can wash it later.
So
Then.
should I pull this off?
No, I can do everything later. We have more toys here, and some more stuff here.
Some broken
Oh yeah, we have broken badminton rackets I could use for something else. Anyway, that concludes our tour of our lovely garden. Thanks for watching. Bye.